Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800S. In this video I'll show you how to attach the dashcam to the front windshield. Firstly, let's prepare this part, which is a holder to the camera. Firstly, we have to attach it to the camera, and then you'll have to take out this foil. Now, take a look at this electrostatic foil that is inserted in the original box. Clean the front windshield very carefully, and then pull this part out, like this. Just like in installing the foil on the smartphone. Then glue it to front windshield and erase all the air bubbles that are left under the electrostatic foil. When it's done, you'll have to attach the front camera like this or like this. Now you are sure that the camera won't fall off. Actually, in the original box we've got the second glued sticker that we can replace if this glue will go bad. And that's basically it. If you want to connect the rear camera as well, we've got the second sticker, which is a little bit smaller, and the process is the same. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.